In today's video, I'm going to teach you a comprehensive guide on navigating some of the essential features within Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to manage your store's financial aspects efficiently. Let's dive right into the process. First, you're going to want to head over to Shopify's admin panel. This is the central hub where you'll find all the tools needed to manage every aspect of your online store, from processing orders to managing inventory. Logging into your Shopify account will take you to My Store, Home, which serves as the dashboard for your operations. This dashboard provides a holistic view of everything from your current sales to ongoing marketing insights, so familiarize yourself with this layout as it will help streamline your workflow. Once you're in the dashboard, it's time to navigate to the Finance section. You can find this by looking at your admin panel on the left-hand side. The Finance section is a crucial part of your store's management. It not only gives you an overview of your financial status, but also helps you manage all your monetary transactions effectively. Here you can review financial reports, track your spending, and better understand your profit margins, ensuring your business remains healthy and profitable. The next step is to select Bill Pay. It's essential to manage your bills efficiently to maintain smooth operations. When you click on Bill Pay, it's essentially a gateway to managing outgoing payments that your store needs to handle. Whether it's service fees or payments to vendors, having a grasp on this section will keep your cash flow in check and prevent any financial hiccups. Here's a pro tip. Make sure that you have all your payment details double-checked. This small step can save you from unnecessary disputes or missed payments that could interrupt your service or supply chain. It's all about keeping things running seamlessly. Once in Bill Pay, you'll click again as this action confirms and moves you forward to the relevant section where specific bills and associated details are listed. Within this section, you'll find a comprehensive list of bills that need attention. Take the time to go through these details carefully. Understanding your bills ensures transparency and minimizes errors. Understanding how to efficiently navigate these sections provides a strong foundation for your store's financial health. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to managing your Shopify store's financial aspects. By consistently following these steps, you'll ensure that your store is not only operational, but also financially sound. Remember, staying organized and proactive is key. Thank you for tuning in today. Keep managing your store with confidence and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.